Let me show you how I use CapCut to edit my videos for Facebook. Open the CapCut app, create a new project, import your videos. Here I'm putting 3 videos of Pegasus, and you can see these clips aren't perfect. I will be cutting the extra legs and unnatural movements out. Highlight the first clip and move the player head to the area before the warping or extra legs. Snip, highlight the unusable clip, and delete, repeat for the next clips. After checking the first clip, I snipped an unnatural head movement and deleted it out. I could export this video as is, but I prefer faster movements for my characters. So I will change the speed on the first and last clip. Highlight the first clip, go to speed and increase to 1.5. The second clip is okay and doesn't need to be adjusted. Go to the last clip, highlight, speed, increase to 1.5, and this seems good. Maybe not. I'll highlight the clip, go to speed, and this time I'll increase to 2. And that looks much better. And that's all done. And this is the final result. What do you think?